Okay, and welcome back to FOOD. Today we are going to do a kind of short umami experiment. So for the experiment, we're just gonna have some basic chicken broth. We're gonna add some green onions, garlic, and some salt to it. Then we're gonna pour some of it in each pan, and then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of dry mushrooms dry oyster mushrooms to one of them. And then we're gonna simmer them for about 20 to 30 minutes, and we're gonna see which one tastes better. Hi, I'm Kipling, and I'm a kid who loves good food. But I wonder, what does it take to make food really delicious? Come with me as I research the science behind fantabulous food and how to cook it. This is FOOD, culinary science for kids of all ages. Actually, any mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, they have an extra amount of the umami chemical called glutamate on a weight to amount ratio. Okay, so we're gonna add my mushrooms to my broth, and I'm gonna see if it makes my broth taste better.
If it does, that's gonna be cool. I might use it in soup.
So I'm super excited, and we're gonna see if it works.
Okay, so now we're gonna add our green onions, garlic, and salt to our broth. We have 2 cups of broth. We're just gonna add them. So we're gonna start by adding our green onions and garlic. The garlic sticks. Doing their garlic delicious. I love garlic. So we're gonna add our salt. Then we're gonna mix it around. Okay, so now we're gonna add our 1 cup of broth and 1 cup of broth to our pans. The bigger one is gonna be the one with the mushrooms, so the bigger one should be more umami. So I guess we'll just pour these in. Okay, now we're just gonna bring these over to the stove and... Oh yeah, we need to add our mushrooms. Our umami mushrooms.
They smell pretty weird. When we were drying them out, they made the whole house smell really weird.
Okay. Now we're just gonna simmer them for about 20 to 30 minutes. Stick around to see what happens. Okay, so our broth has been simmering for about 20 to 30 minutes. And now we're gonna just pour it off the stove into the bowls. We're gonna strain it to make sure there's no loose pieces of onion or mushroom to ruin our umami experiment. Okay, so we have our broth in our bowls. You can totally tell there's color difference, so I think there's something more in this umami broth. This one is the umami broth. So we're just gonna taste it. I'm gonna start with the non-umami one. That tastes just like it's out of the can, because that's pretty much what it is. This one is a little more meaty. It stays in the taste stays in your mouth way longer. It has more depth. Yeah. So, this was a really cool experiment.
It's a really cool experiment. Really cool, like an umami experiment.
And so, thanks for watching this experiment with me. So click right here if you want to learn about how to cook something and the science about something else.
It's a really cool experiment.